I'm very honored tonight because I'm here at Madus House, which is a Bengali lady or a Bengali family, and we've been invited to have dinner with them. So we're going to taste some traditional Bengali food, home-cooked food. I'm super psyched, so let's go meet her. Amazing, these old houses. You go down the back of the alleys, you go all the way up, you can see how old it is. It's absolutely incredible. I think she lives on the top floor, so there's probably about 10 different families living in this one building. Hello, model. How are you? We're here. I'm so excited to try and go into someone's home and be able to taste traditional food. You're letting me in now. Fantastic.
Most welcome.
Thank you so much. Lovely to meet you.
Same here.
This must be your daughter?
Yeah, she looks like my daughter.
Hey there, how are you? Namaste.
She is my maternal
She's your grandmother.
Yes, and she is just 94.
Just 94. Amazing. I'm Will. Lovely to meet you. So, how old are you?
94.
20.
90.
90? I thought you said 20. Wow, 94. And so Kolkata has obviously changed dramatically since, well, in the past 94
She
years.
grew up in Jabalpur, which is another city,
And so what brought you to Kolkata
Beer pare.
after marriage.
after married?
Yeah.
So you married a Bengali man? Yeah. So you would have been here during the war as well in Kolkata?
যখন যুদ্ধ হয়েছিল তুমি এখানে ছিলে তো?
Yeah, and you would have seen the changes of everything. We're here today to talk about and discover a little bit about how Kolkata's cuisine is a melting pot of cultures and people, etc. And you've obviously been through the time where you've seen these mergers of the English going and Kolkata being free, and then the merging of immigrants coming in as workers. What's your take on it?
China grass.
China grass, you know, for charity.
Yeah,
She
okay.
used to do things like that. She used to panna cotta.
Panna cotta, you used to make panna cotta. And so
Right, cutlets and non-stick.
fish cutlets,
Roast, yes, roast.
Sunday roast as well?
Roast.
Right, well I need to put my mother and you in competition of who does the best roast. Huh?
বলছে ওর মাকে আর তোমাকে একসঙ্গে বসিয়ে দিলে তোমরা দুজনেই রোস্ট করো।
So we're here to have a wonderful dinner tonight, yes?
Yeah.
So what are we cooking?
I won't say anything. That will be surprise.
That'll be a surprise. Well, let's go and see what we have, shall we? Okay, so what's the first dishes that we're cooking?
We are going to be cooking, like I was telling, like these are greens, but basically they're red in color. So this is very nutritious.
Okay,
Yeah.
and then what's the other dishes that we're cooking?
This is bottle gourd, ones which look like bottle.
Fantastic.
So I'm going to make bottle gourd with prawns.
Prawns.
This is the pumpkin. I'm going to make pumpkin with red chickpeas.
Okay,
Then, and this is carp.
okay,
Carp, which
Yep.
has been marinated with yogurt, chili powder, and salt and turmeric, and a little bit of fresh ginger.
fantastic. And that's it, yeah?
Yes.
That's what we're cooking?
Yes.
What a feast.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to fry some ground nuts in mustard oil, garlic and chopped onions in this. So now I have sauteed the onion and the garlic, nigella seeds, red chilies. Now to that I'm going to add the greens. So I have to wait for the water to reduce and then I add the salt. I have a paste of poppy seeds and white mustard. So now I'm going to make the pumpkin dish. Again, I'm adding mustard oil. I'll be using nigella seeds. I'll be using hing, which is asafoetida. It's a raisin from a plant. It has a very strong smell. And there'll be red chilies, dry red chilies in it. And bay leaves. So I'm adding cumin powder to the fresh ginger, which I'm going to add to the pumpkin. But then before that, I'll put a little water in it. Whenever I cook with something dry, I always add water to it. Mix. mix it nicely. This is the carp with the yogurt.
Fantastic.
So the other dishes are already laid out.
Okay.
We start with vegetarian food first. It's always the saag. It starts.
Okay. You call it the saag.
Saag. Saag means greens.
Greens. Ah. And then the next one is the
Next one
pumpkin.
is the pumpkin with the red chickpeas. So you can start with this first.
And the traditional way to do is with your hands.
Yes.
Okay. So luckily we're used to this being in Indonesia.
And even more traditional is to lick your fingers.
Fantastic. Oh, I'm licking them because it's so good already. Then we hit the pumpkin, which again, you said you had ginger, nigella seeds in there as well.
Yeah, and cumin powder.
Cumin powder. Taste that cumin. That's actually great.
Yes.
Okay, let's try the.
Try the bottle gourd with the shrimps. Like.
That's amazing. Very good. Cardamom, cinnamon.
It's the garam masala. You remember?
It's that stronger
Yes.
cinnamon garam masala we talked about.
Yes.
That's fantastic. Alrighty, let's try a bit of fish.
Here you.
This is the carp we.
Yes, the carp.
You've obviously picked them out all for me, haven't you?
That I wish I could have.
That yogurt curry is fantastic. It's got cloves in there. It's got the cardamom. Taste the spice. And again, it's not cooked in any juice, is it? It's just cooked in the yogurt and the marinade in there.
Yes, exactly.
Well, listen, Madu, this has been absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much for allowing us into your home.
Honored to have you, and I'm so glad that you like the food.
Yes, and it's all thumbs up, and I'm licking my fingers, which is approval of this
That
amazing.
gives me total happiness.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's amazing, yeah?